Now, when we deal with this kind of parts or machines or equipments, we have to take into consideration several factors. The first factor is the cost of equipment or machine, etc. By cost of equipment we mean the purchase price of the machine or equipment. The second important factor is the running cost or the operating cost or the maintenance cost or any kind of cost that is incurred over that machine. Then the third important factor is resale value or scrap value. It means what amount is realized if the machine is resold, then what amount will be realized. That gives us the resale value or scrap value. And then another important thing is depreciation, where here depreciation means the purchase price of the machine minus the resale value of the machine at the end of any time period. Now this depreciation is very important. We have to remember one thing, that we have to take into consideration all these factors for deciding the appropriate time when the machine part or equipment should be replaced. That is the purchase price of the machine, the running, operating, maintenance or any kind of cost incurred on the machine, the resale value of the machine, and we have to find out the depreciation of the machine. Now what is the methodology? The methodology is the most appropriate time to replace the machine is when the average total cost is minimum. It means we have to find out the average total cost by the end of each time period, and we select that time period at the end of which the average total cost is minimum. Always remember that this average total cost shows a U type of graph. It means initially it is highest, then with the passage of time it goes on decreasing, then it comes to the lowest point, and after that it again starts increasing, so it makes a U shape. So we have to find out the lowest point when the average total cost is minimum. Then we have to see the characteristics of these kind of machines or equipments or parts. They show some characteristics, which are: number one is increasing operating or running cost. Such kind of machines always show an increasing operating or running cost with the passage of time. It means every year the running or operating cost will go on increasing. Secondly, they also show a increasing maintenance cost. And thirdly, they show a decreasing resale value with the passage of time. It means as the life of the machine increases, its resale value decreases.